Clip a clothespin with a hair tie onto the door handle. You won't regret it. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. I never knew that an ordinary clothespin with a hair tie would become my favorite little gadget. I'm sure you'll love this idea too. Everyone has a clothespin at home, and you only need one. A wooden one works best. You'll also need a hair tie or a rubber band. Make sure it's large enough. Wrap the hair tie around the clothespin, securing it where it would normally grip a clothesline. This will keep the band from slipping. Now, attach the clothespin with the hair tie to the handle of your balcony door. Balcony doors usually don't have an exterior handle, so when you step outside, the door stays open or slightly ajar. But it doesn't have to. With the hair tie attached, step onto the balcony while holding the clothespin. As you go out, simply pull it, and the door will close behind you. This trick is useful in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air into your home just because you stepped outside for a moment. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. My grandmother used to sprinkle salt in front of the front door, and only then place the doormat on top. It was a simple trick that saved her apartment every winter. Wet shoes, puddles by the door, and a doormat that simply cannot cope are everyday reality in many homes. A slippery hallway floor is not just a mess, but a real risk of slipping. This is a trick well known to cleaning experts, although few people talk about it. A regular doormat quickly soaks up water in winter. Its fibers are not designed to absorb large amounts of moisture from wet shoes. That is why you should first make sure the floor underneath is dry. Then sprinkle a thin layer of salt where the mat lies. You will notice the difference after the very first entry. Now place the doormat on top and press it down with your feet so it grips the floor well. The salt absorbs water from shoes, prevents the mat from sliding, and increases traction. When wiping your shoes, it acts as a natural barrier that stops snow and mud right at the door. The effect is immediate. The hallway floor stays dry, safe, and much cleaner, and winter cleaning takes far less time. It is a simple winter home trick that helps keep the hallway clean, prevents slippery floors by the door, reduces mud and water from shoes, and makes winter cleaning at home easier. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive deicer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap. to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. Here's proof that gaps under doors allow cold air to get inside. This is especially important in winter. Simply use a pool noodle cut lengthwise. Place it between the door and the floor. This way, cold air will no longer come in, and sealing the door becomes quick and inexpensive. Your electricity bills won't be as high, which means you'll save a lot of money. A simple trick worth knowing. Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day. Hang a clothespin on the door handle. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. Take a regular laundry clothespin. Everyone has one at home, and a large stretchy hair tie or rubber band. Wrap the band around the part of the clothespin where you'd normally clip clothes. It will stay secure and stable. Now attach the clothespin with the rubber band to the balcony door handle. As you probably know, most balcony doors don't have a handle on the outside. So when you step out, the door often stays open or just slightly closed. But it doesn't have to be that way. Holding the clothespin when going out, you can gently pull the band after closing the door, allowing it to shut behind you. This little trick works great in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air escape just because you stepped out for a moment. I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony.